This is a final video to fix joysticks or buttons not working on your ROG Ally. And if you're struggling with unresponsive controls, you're not alone. Many users face this problem because dust, dirt, or firmware glitches can block the buttons or mess with the joystick sensors. Most solutions you'll find on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and hard to follow, leaving you more frustrated than before. On Rexist, I'll show you a secret easy trick that clears the dust, resets the firmware, and recalibrates your controls in just a few simple steps. So everything works like new without complicated tools. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial, comment below, and I'll guide you through it all.